Hey guys, welcome to week 8. We are actually halfway through the semester. Yay, isn't it? Okay, so for this week, you actually have a letter to the editor to write. So basically, it's a letter that you're going to write to an editor related to data about comparing US and another country. So let me show you what all is in here. This Watch Me First will be posted right in the top over here. Your instructions and expectations are right over here. You can see lots of rubrics. I use mainly this rubric to grade. This is a core course requirement. That means all school and society courses are doing this assignment. And then it gives you are comparing the education with, and then there are other ideas over here. And I know you're like, you want more explanation on it. And so I actually made a separate video that goes through the instructions on this, instructions and expectations for this assignment. In the video, I do say that I'm not going to provide you samples because students tend to just copy that and then return those back. So I decided actually to provide you with the bad samples because I know that you do not want to copy bad samples. So there are 2 bad samples which you can see and know that if I write something like this, I am not going to get a good grade. Okay? And here is your Dropbox. The Dropbox has been synced with Turnitin.com. So if your paper is 30% or more plagiarized, it is going to receive a grade of a 0 and no makeup allowed. You do not have to do anything. When you submit it, it automatically sends it to the Turnitin.com. So everything has been set for you. You will be able to see what the percentage is. There is always like 2-3 percentages or percent always comes because of headings or the way you end the paper and things like that. But anything up 30% and above is too much. That means you've not even written 70% of the paper yourself. It's a very, very short paper, only 450 words from the beginning till the very end of it. If you write more than 450 words, you're going to get your points deducted. So it is actually 400 words, not even 450 words. So you only have 400 words from the top till the end. So you have to be concise and you have to be specific about it. I repeat once again, it is no more than 400 words. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I am here always.